Michelle Cadix from Portfolio Quest, and I'm here to tell you about our anti-money laundering simulation, which we have launched. We are here to build bionic bankers. We've seen all this great tech, solutions that we're throwing at anti-money laundering. We see AML being tackled by machine learning, big data, and AI. But how about the humans? We need bionic humans to be able to use those tools. So we are going after the $4.5 billion training spend in compliance, which is not working. A 1% market share of that brings us a product we can deploy on our existing platform for $250K. The AML compliance budgets are only getting bigger, but the banks are getting higher fines. So we've been hearing all day about all these pain points. If you think about it, it's like if I decided I was going to play tennis against Serena Williams. I'm not going to bother practicing against one of those machines that throws tennis balls at me. I'm going to read an e-learning, Tennis for Idiots, and I'm going to go try to play her. It's not going to go well. So the way we can solve this problem is first by throwing tech at AML, doing the analysis, having machine learning outputs. Those outputs characterize AML on a real-time basis. Thank you, Fintech, for doing that for us. Excellent. I will train the humans how to be bionic. I will take those inputs and I will be able to throw that virtual tennis ball at them so they can keep practicing. So each time the regulators and the machine learning and AI identify new typologies, they're pushed out to bank employees. So they're able to identify those. So just like me trying to practice playing against Serena Williams, even if her serve changes, or I'm going to play a different competitor, when I practice, I'll have those. So the simulation in this numerical sense is very elegant. It's a way that you can push this out to bank employees, frontline staff, et cetera. So the moment we detect this, out it goes to people. It's a huge opportunity. Our platform is live with other products, and now we can go after this AML spending by building this deployment of our simulation. But we need your help. We're deploying live pilots, and we need your help for introductions and more discussions with regulators and heads of compliance. We have a track record. Our team has been deploying numerical simulation for the purpose of training in the industry since 2011. We've won a number of awards. We have a following with B2B clients at banks around the world. We've done workshops with simulation for our portfolios with people from 50 countries. But we've decided now to go after AML because it's a huge problem, and we're going to have to be bionic as we operate those systems. So here's my ask. Judges, if you keep hearing people whining about talent, that we're not getting an ROI out of the big data, out of machine learning, out of AI, send a message to the industry that we are ready to throw tech at helping the humans use these tools. Send that message. And for those of you in the room, you can help me. We need to close 5 paid pilots in the first half this year. We've got 3 on the table. Guess what? 1 is a regulator. Good signal. I want to meet all of your compliance heads. This is low risk to implement in a bank. It is training. But it's high ROI. And it's going to create bionic bankers. Thank you.
Great work. Thank you. Okay, judges, any questions?
Yeah, very quickly, does the application extend to the desktop, from the desktop to a mobile, so you can do it on the go?
Good question. This application, until now, we've always done it on desktop because it involves a lot of data analysis, et cetera. We are testing versions of this which so far are usable on an iPad. We will test it on mobile. It's just a question of how much data you can put on the screen.
Yeah, I think I'd introduce you to our compliance officer if we can have it on mobile. It would be great.
I'm there for you.
Thank you.
Well done, Michelle. Good work. Thank you so much.
Thanks, everybody.